Managing your money wisely is key. Creating a budget can help you take control of your financial future. Those little expenses you cut back on can turn into substantial savings over time. It's the small steps that count. Saving is essential, but investing wisely can make your money work for you and secure your financial future. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Don't be afraid to learn from your financial mistakes. Understanding how compound interest works can help you make smarter long-term financial decisions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments can reduce risk. Life is unpredictable. Having an emergency fund can provide a safety net during tough times. Before making impulse purchases, consider the long-term impact on your finances. Maintaining good credit can open doors to better financial opportunities. Pay your bills on time. Having clear financial goals gives you a sense of purpose and direction in your financial journey. Negotiating can save you money on everything from purchases to bills and contracts. Good things come to those who wait. Patience can lead to better financial decisions. Explore tax-saving opportunities like retirement accounts and deductions to maximize your savings. Understanding financial concepts can empower you to make informed money choices. Generosity not only benefits others but can also bring you a sense of fulfillment and happiness. Saying no to unnecessary expenses can free up resources for your financial goals. Time is money. Use it wisely to pursue your passions and financial aspirations. Building strong relationships can lead to valuable opportunities in both your personal and financial life. As your income grows, avoid unnecessary lifestyle upgrades that can erode your savings. Experiences often provide more lasting happiness than material possessions. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more comfortable your golden years will be. Being grateful for what you have can attract more positivity and abundance into your life. Don't measure your success by comparing yourself to others. Your financial journey is unique. Seek inspiration from those who have achieved financial success and learn from their experiences. Adapt to changing financial landscapes and opportunities. Flexibility is a valuable trait. Continuously improving your skills and knowledge can lead to better career prospects and income. Life's curveballs can be financially challenging. Prepare for them with insurance and savings. Self-discipline can help you stick to your financial goals and avoid impulse decisions. When in doubt, consult financial experts for guidance on complex money matters. No matter your age or financial situation, it's never too late to take control of your financial future.